good morning everybody. This is your English teacher Mrs. Astha Gulati, and today we are going to start with the next video of chapter number 3, adjectives. Children, some of the topics like types of adjectives and the positive and negative sentences have already been completed by ma'am in the last video, and today in this video we are going to do the quantifiers. We have interrogative sentences, and the next topic is order of adjectives. Today in this video we are going to deal with 3 topics, okay, from chapter number 3, children, adjectives, okay, to page number 19 from your grammar book. Please place your books in front of you while watching the video. First, in this video I would like to ask you, what are adjectives? Do you remember the first video? Adjectives, yes, think. Refer to your books, children, and then you will find out that adjectives are the words which tell us about a noun. Means they are describing words for a noun, children. And now when we are discussing the topic quantifiers, quantifiers is related to the adjectives which gives us an idea about the quantity or number of a noun. Okay, means how much is the quantity or how many is the number. Quantity is related to the uncountable nouns and number is related to the countable nouns. Okay, so I have some examples with you. I have bought some books, children. I have bought some books. Books are countable nouns, I would like to tell you, and this is affirmative sentence. Okay, I did not buy any book. Negative sentence. The teacher must have already told you that any is always used with a negative sentence. Any is always used with a negative sentence, children. Please remember that. They did not have much idea. Idea is an uncountable noun, and much is related to denote a large quantity which is uncountable. She has many chocolates. Many is related to a countable noun and it is denoted for a large number again. First, much is related to a large quantity, children. Quantity is uncountable noun and many is related to countable noun. That is why it is written to denote a large number. Number is always countable. There is little sugar in my tea. Little sugar. Sugar is uncountable noun. That is why we write little with uncountable nouns. He has few friends. Few is related to the countable noun because we can count our friends. Children, I have 5 friends. I have 2 friends in my class. The friends are countable. So we write few with the countable nouns. Okay? Yes, children, after the quantifiers in chapter number 3, the next topic we have is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are the words which ask some question, children. Interrogative sentences you have done earlier. The same way, the same words are used as interrogative adjectives. Means what, which, whose. All these 3 words are interrogative adjectives. And in this exercise, children, we will ask question and there should be a question mark at the end of the sentence. What is the time? Which book are you reading? Whose bag is this? All these, children, the words are questionable words. Questionable adjectives they are. Okay? So, after this exercise after this topic we have, tick the sentences which use an interrogative adjective, and we have to do it. Which dress shall I wear? You will do as homework, children, and then use the 3 interrogative adjectives mentioned to from sentences of your own. Please complete it as homework. Okay? So question number B and exercise number B and exercise number C you will do as homework in page number 19 and 20. This next topic we are discussing about order of adjectives. Order of adjectives is the order to be followed when we are using more than one adjective for a noun. We can use as many adjectives for a noun. We can just give you an example, children. Ram is a good and a polite boy. Good and a polite boy. Okay, so there should be some order. I cannot write polite and a good boy. Is it sounding fine? Is it sounding correct? No, it is not sounding correct because I am not following the order of adjectives. When we are using more than one adjective to describe a noun, we should follow the order which I have written on the board. It is in your book also, children, page number 23. You can refer there also. And I'll give you some example also, which is I saw a big fat red panda in the zoo. She bought 3 beautiful Turkish carpets. I can also write, children, beautiful Turkish 3 carpets. Is it sounding correct? No, because the first order is always a number. That is why it is written 3 beautiful Turkish. 3 is the number, quality is beautiful, and Turkish is the nationality. Okay, so it has to be always in order when you are writing about an adjective. Zara keeps a small square silk handkerchief in her purse. Okay, so the order of adjectives is written on the board, children. Please copy it down, and if you don't want to copy, it is written in your grammar book also. Please open your books in front of you while watching the video so that you can see the correct order and you can understand. And while in the class, in the online classes, when we will begin, you can ask your queries there, okay, if you have any doubts. Then children, the page number 23, the exercise number G. Based on the flow chart, state the type of adjectives given below. One has been done for you. Children, exercise G and H. Exercise G and H. Both you have to complete as homework in your books, children. And then while in the online classes, we will discuss the answers also. Okay? In the online classes, we will discuss the answer. But first, you have to do it in your book. Be ready. And if they are wrong, you can correct them while the online classes. Okay? This is the end of today's class. And next, we will be discussing the exercises henceforth from page number 24. And there are no more other topics in this chapter. We are done with it. We will do the exercises later on.